Thank you so much for watching. I'm launching my Patreon soon. Click the link below to sign up and be the first to know, so that you don't miss out on any exclusive recipes. See you next time.